Proactive English practice.
Good morning.
Morning. What can I get you?
I'd like a bagel, please.
Plain, sesame, or everything?
What is an everything bagel?
All the toppings. Seeds, salt, garlic.
I'd like the everything bagel.
Great choice. Cream cheese?
Yes, please.
Toasted?
Toasted? What does that mean?
Warm, in the oven, crispy.
Oh, yes. Toasted, please.
Anything to drink?
Can I have an orange juice?
Small or large?
Small. How much for everything?
Bagel and juice. $5.50.
Here, thank you.
Enjoy. See you tomorrow?
If the bagel is good, definitely.
Hi, I'm Lisa. We just moved in. Welcome. I'm Mrs. Park, apartment 3B. Nice to meet you. How do you like the neighborhood? We love it, but I need some help. Of course. What do you need? Is there a good grocery store nearby? Yes, Fresh Mart. 2 blocks that way. Fresh Mart. Is it expensive? No, very good prices. I go every week. Do you know where I can buy bread? Fresh Mart has bread, but the bakery is better. Is there a bakery near here? Next to Fresh Mart. Golden Crust Bakery. Perfect. Anything else I should know? The community center has free classes. Free classes? What kind? English, cooking, yoga, all free. I need English classes. Go today. It's on Oak Street. Thank you, Mrs. Park. You're so helpful.
Hi, I need to print some documents.
Sure. Do you have them on a USB?
Yes, right here.
Let me plug it in. How many pages?
5 pages.
How many copies of each?
2 copies, please.
Black and white or color?
Black and white. It's just text.
10 pages total, 20 cents each.
$2. That's cheap.
Do you need them stapled?
Stapled? What does that mean?
Clipped together with this.
Oh, yes, please. Stapled.
Here you go. 2 copies, stapled.
Perfect. These are for my new job.
New job? Congratulations.
Thank you. I start next week.
Good luck. Come back if you need more.
Hi, where can I find shampoo?
Aisle 3, on the right.
Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
I need soap, too.
Soap is in the same aisle, next to shampoo.
Perfect. And toothpaste?
Aisle 2, left side.
Where can I find hand cream?
Also aisle 3, bottom shelf.
So many things in one aisle.
Aisle 3 is the beauty aisle.
I need deodorant too.
Aisle 3 again, top shelf.
I love aisle 3.
Most people do.
I think that's everything.
Ready to pay?
Yes, how much?
$16.40. Card or cash?
Card, please. Thank you.
Hi, do you have batteries?
Yes, what size?
For a TV remote.
For a TV remote? Usually AA or AAA.
I don't know the difference.
Show me the remote.
Here, the old batteries are inside.
AA, these ones.
How much are these?
A pack of 4, $3.
I only need 2.
We only sell packs of 4, sorry.
Okay, I'll take the pack.
Do you have a remote at home too?
Yes, for the air conditioner.
Then you'll use all 4.
Good point. $3?
$3. Cash or card?
Cash, here.
Here's your change, 50 cents.
Thank you.
Hello? My neighbor told me about this place.
Welcome. How can I help?
What classes do you have?
English, cooking, yoga, and art.
English, I need that.
Our English class is for beginners.
When does it start?
Every Wednesday at 10.
Wednesday at 10. How long?
1 hour, 10 to 11.
Is it really free?
Totally free. Just sign up.
I'd like to sign up.
Fill out this form, name and phone.
Done.
See you tomorrow at 10.
Tomorrow? It's Wednesday tomorrow.
Perfect timing.
Mrs. Park was right. This place is great.
Mrs. Park? She takes the yoga class.
Small world.
Hi, I need a phone charger.
What phone do you have?
This one, it's 2 years old.
Okay, you need a USB-C charger.
USB-C? Is that the small one?
Yes, the small oval plug.
Does this one work with my phone?
Let me check. Yes, perfect match.
How much is it?
$12.
And this longer cable? Does it work?
Same type, just 2 meters long.
2 meters? I can charge from the couch.
Everyone loves the long cable.
I'll take this one, the long one.
Good choice, $15.
Here, card please.
What happened to your old charger?
It broke. The cable stopped working.
That happens. This one is stronger.
Thank you.
Hello? Is there a quiet reading room?
Yes, second floor, room 204.
Is it open now?
Open until 6. Very quiet up there.
Can I bring my notebook?
Of course. Many people study there.
Is there Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi. Password is on the wall.
Perfect. I'm studying English.
We have English learning books too.
Really? Where can I find them?
Shelf B, near the window. Room 204.
Books and a quiet room? Amazing.
Do you have a library card?
Not yet.
I can make one now. It's free.
Yes, please.
Name and address. That's all I need.
Done. Thank you.
Enjoy the reading room. It's lovely.
Hi, what's the lunch combo?
Sandwich, drink, and a cookie.
What comes with the sandwich?
Lettuce, tomato, and cheese.
Can I choose the bread?
White or wheat.
Wheat, please.
And the meat? Turkey, ham, or chicken?
I'll have turkey.
Good choice. What drink?
What comes with the combo?
Water, soda, or juice?
I'll have juice. Apple.
And your free cookie?
Free cookie? What flavors?
Chocolate chip or oatmeal?
Chocolate chip. Always.
Combo total $8.50.
That's a good deal.
Best deal in the food court.
I'll be back. Thank you.
Hi, I'm looking for a photo frame.
What size photo?
A regular photo from our phone.
4 by 6? That's the standard size.
Yes. Do you have nice ones?
This one is wooden, very classic.
This one is nice, but a bit small.
I can show you a bigger one.
Yes, please.
This white one is pretty.
Oh, I like it. What size?
5 by 7. Fits a bigger photo.
I'll take this one.
What photo is it for?
Our first photo in the new apartment.
That's so sweet.
Mark and I on the balcony. Day 1.
Day 1. You'll look at it every day.
How much?
$6.
Here. Thank you.
Enjoy your first frame. Many more to come.
So, what did you do today?
I bought a bagel for breakfast.
Was it good?
The best. An everything bagel. Toasted.
What else?
I printed my documents at the copy shop.
For your new job?
Yes, 2 copies, stapled.
New word?
Stapled. It means clipped together.
I learned new words too. Aisle, shelf.
From the drugstore?
Yes, I bought soap and shampoo.
I bought batteries. and a phone charger.
Your old one broke?
Yes. But the new cable is 2 meters long.
2 meters. You can charge from the couch.
That's what the worker said.
I visited the community center today.
What did you find?
Free English classes. Every Wednesday.
Free? That's amazing.
Mrs. Park told me about it.
Mrs. Park is the best neighbor.
And I went to the library. Quiet room.
You had a very useful day.
And look what I bought.
A photo frame? For us?
Our first photo. Day 1. On the balcony.
That goes on the shelf right now.